Hi there, it's Ryan Jones with Coldwell Banker First Ottawa Realty, and I'm here today with 364 Sherwood Drive to present to you an absolute gem. Let's go ahead and take a look. So welcome to this classic 3-bed, 2 full bath, semi-detached red brick home, which in my opinion is the perfect combination of old meeting new. Let's go take a look. Sorry, I was just daydreaming about warmer days in the patio back there, which you'll notice brand new French doors have been added. The hardwood from the living room flows into the dining room, and this wall that was here completely opened up to create that modern open concept. Gotta love these old school banisters. So up here on the second floor, you're gonna find 3 good-sized bedrooms, fully renovated bathroom, and, well, you can sleep soundly knowing that the roof was just done in 2016. Oh, sorry, I just wanted to hang out in the kitchen one more time. It's so open and bright. Downstairs you will find it's fully finished with pot lights, storage room with the laundry, and a full bathroom with glass shower. The perfect woman cave. Okay, so thanks for stopping by. Some other things to note, obviously this awesome fenced backyard space. We have a natural gas hookup here for the barbecue, and you get 1 parking in the garage. If you'd like any more information, ryanjones.ca. Happy to help. Call, text anytime. And remember, when you think real estate, think Ryan.